today I am present with one of the new website and where from you can get updated in everyday basis on data science and AI/ML engineer. So we need the right information from the right website. So this today I will be talking about the Medium website. How we can check the Medium website? We just open the Google page, then we just type it the Medium, then we get this Medium link here. We can just click on this link and we can just see this Medium web page, where from we can just get updated in everyday basis news. Which kind of news? I am talking about data science news. But before that, when you are just entered in this website, you have to be sign in here. So how you can sign in? There are multiple options. You can just look it here through Gmail, through Facebook, through different account. And I am just selecting on the Gmail. What I am just doing here, I am just selecting my website mail and then I try to log in here. After clicking on that, selecting that mail, I am just open my Medium website, and here you can just see so many news are already available on the data science topic, on the LLM topic, of the generative AI, of the RAG, of the Llama, and if any of the biggest giant they are just launching the biggest LLM models, all the things will be get updated. And if you want to be updated in everyday basis on your data science project or data science research, you can just go in the search options and you can just type it there on the topic which you want to know. I just write down the topic in here, the LLM, and I just enter it, and then I can just see there are a lot of LLM topics are here. My main point is that as a data science student or data science engineer, you need the right information and right research and the modern research, everything you should know. So everyday basis, if you are just browsing this website, then you can able to learn everyday basis this kind of information, from where you can keep updated, and this news and this information will help you to make your project and help you in your interview. And that's it from my small side. And in case any further news, if you need, if you want to learn from me, just get in touch in my contact number, which I already posted it in my last video. Thank you so much.